Oh yeah, here it is. This one.
This one looks really tall.
Yeah.
What is it? A train bridge?
That's what it looks like. But
So
should still have the height on it though.
Oh, it goes off into the water. Yeah, it should. But maybe like once they're over once they're over a certain height, they don't need it.
Yeah.
It still should though. People move homes and stuff sometimes.
Yeah.
But maybe that's why you have that leader that goes forward and makes sure everything's good. Do we need to let the line pass?
No.
Okay.
Doing the speed limit.
Oh, there goes a road. It just took off over into nowhere. They had it blocked off.
I forget.
I don't know.
I really do forget.
Which direction are you headed?
I'm gonna go left.
Okay, you're going west.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to get a bearing on where we are at. The way I do it.
These guys are going, so it must be the right way.
James River. Pretty. It's got like a little island in it.
They're already playing in it over there. There goes the car.
Alright, do I need to take it away from you? Okay.
Dang, look at her. Oh my gosh.
Does he want to speed through those curves down there? That's why I was trying to ask if when there was that off.
Yeah, but this is when you do it. Not back there.
Honey, I understand. You didn't do anything wrong.
Oh, no, I know.
Then listen instead of arguing. That's why I said if you needed to pull over there to let any crazy people that might be building up behind you, not that you were doing anything wrong, but just to let them around you. You didn't do anything wrong by not stopping either.
Yeah, but...
Really? He had plenty of chance back there, didn't he?
You did.
You're going to save that one?
No, it's already locked. It's doing the whole 5 minutes, see?
Oh, okay. Wow. Hey, dear.
What's up?
A big cow. Sorry.
Whoa.
Oh, final destination. That was terrifying.
They need to get to Walmart too. They forgot something.
Oh my.
It's for your kayaks or something?
Huh? Cutting in his own little road. They got a lot of road on their property. It's all the way over here. Oh, I like their siding.
Oh,
like
that's
a wood
nice.
siding. Oh, I love that. There's our property, dear. We'll hire someone to mow. Bird hit a tree and knocked a stick down in front of us.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh. Love how country it looked. The siding, wood siding, and the way they had it all set up.